Hello friends, I'm Beatrice. Welcome to the world of learning. In this video, you'll be learning the basic rules for operating integers sign. The basic rules for operating integers sign. Don't be afraid, integers are the numbers you still know. Integers are all positive numbers, all negative numbers, including 0. So even when you have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, they are all integers. So we are going to find out the rules that are guiding all the operations. Let's start with addition. When you have a positive number plus another positive number, it will give you a positive answer. When you have a negative number plus a negative number, it will give you a negative answer. Now, when you have a positive number plus a negative number, it will give you a positive number or a negative answer. It will give you a positive answer or a negative answer. That's why we have it like this. When you have a negative number plus a positive number, it will also give you a positive answer or a negative answer. Why do we have it this way? In the case of addition and even subtraction, we take the sign of the bigger integer. So when you have the bigger integer to be minus, it will take the sign and the answer will become a negative answer. But when you have the bigger integer to be positive, you will have your answer as a positive answer. That is why we have plus or minus, and then we still have here plus or minus. Let's go to subtraction. When you have a negative number minus a negative number, it will give you a positive or a negative answer. A negative number minus a negative number will give you a positive or a negative answer. Remember, it will take the sign of the bigger integer. But here, when you have it this way, this minus will multiply the minus we have inside just to give you plus. This minus will multiply the minus we have inside to give you addition. When we get to the multiplication side, you will get to understand this better. Here, when we have a positive number minus a positive number, it will give you a positive answer. Here, when we have a negative number minus a positive answer, it will give you a negative answer. That multiplication rule also applies there. Here, when we have a positive number minus, a positive number minus a negative number, it will give you a positive answer. A positive number minus a negative number will give you a positive answer. Remember, when minus multiplies minus, you will get your plus. How do I get this? Let's move on to multiplication. For multiplication, we have positive times positive number is equals a positive answer. Negative times a negative number is equals a positive answer. Here you have a positive number times a negative answer equals a positive number times a negative number will give you a negative answer. Here you have a negative number times a positive number, which will give you a negative answer. Okay, let's go to division before I explain generally. Here, if you have a positive number divided by a positive number, it will give you a positive answer. When you have a negative number divided by a negative number, it will give you still a positive answer. If you have a positive number divided by a negative number, it will give you a negative answer. The last one, if you have a negative number divided by a positive number, it will give you a negative answer. Now, for multiplication and division, when the signs are the same, you have a positive answer. But when the signs are different, you will get a negative answer. So it doesn't matter how big the integer is or how big the integers are. When the signs are the same, your answer will be a positive answer. But when the signs are different, the answer will be a negative answer. Just like addition and subtraction. We take the sign of the bigger integer. So if the bigger integer is a positive number, the answer will be a positive answer. But if the bigger integer is a negative number, the answer will be a negative answer. I had to teach you this because subsequently we will start using it in our lessons. So study the signs very well and get ready for the next lesson, because you'll be getting or seeing more of these in the maths you will be solving. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share my page. On Facebook, I am Maths Medicine, #MME.